Alam mo, kunyari, maging sino ka man, ni-remake, gusto pa daw magpaalam sa akin ng mga bata. Sabi ko, no, there's no need. Kasi na-realize ko, kahit anong gawin nila, gamitin nila yung mga pangako sa'yo, maging sino ka man. Alam mo, iba yung tatak namin ni Robin.
Pelikula mo, kumbaga nagkaroon ng mga TV remake. Pero if I remember right, talagang ni-reserve mo yung Dear Heart Sana for Casey.
Yes, sana.
Pero ngayon, kayo rin pala gagamit.
Oo, it's alright kasi pati yung, alam mo, kunyari, maging sino ka man, ni-remake, gusto pa daw magpaalam sa akin ng mga bata. Sabi ko, no, there's no need. Kasi na-realize ko, kahit anong gawin nila, gamitin nila yung mga pangako sa'yo, maging sino ka man. Alam mo, iba yung tatak namin ni Robin. And it's a different generation now. Gagawa rin sila ng sarili nilang tatak. So that's really okay. I'm happy for Ray Valera because he made that song. And it became so famous. Besides, maging sino ka man is maging sino ka man. Hintayin nyo na yung announcement ni Boss Vic sa interview niya sa concert. Dahil pinakamalakas pa rin.
And of course, showing po sa amin na maging sino ka man. A while ago, you were mentioning about
yes,
it.
Yes. They'll make their own mark. And I'm happy they're going to. Kasi dati, possessive ako sa mga project ko. Ngayon, hindi iba ng henerasyon. They will make, Robin and I will always have that distinction of being the original and, sorry, syempre, I will say the best. But they will make their own mark and make it special.
Reaction na lang siguro kasi nga po, you're willing to offer your services for any network, pero sila din nag-collab na ngayon. And yun nga, naging partner naman kayo halos ng TV5 GMA.
Hoy, I came from GMA,
Yes.
Remember? GMA Super Show for the longest time. I was always a GMA, Germ Special, Germ Side, GMA Super Show. I honed my hosting skills there. That's why I was given my own show by IBC 13 before ABS-CBN pirated me, so, and then TV5. But GMA is family too. I have such good friends in GMA as well. So I'm open to that. Just for they have to be fair though. Whoever is gonna offer me any project has to be fair and compensate me correctly. That's all, fairly.